effortlessly fit whole fruits, no chopping or prep required, delivering maximum juice yield, pure, cold-pressed perfection. Start your day with pure, vibrant energy. Elevate your wellness with Euhomy. Freshness redefined every day.
If you've ever stopped making fresh juice because cutting fruits and vegetables takes too much time, the Euhomy cold-pressed juicer might be exactly what you need. One of the biggest advantages of this juicer is its 5.8-inch wide feed chute. That means you can put in whole apples, carrots, cucumbers, and many other fruits and vegetables with very little chopping. It saves time and makes juicing much more convenient, especially during busy mornings. This is a 400-watt cold-press juicer, also known as a slow juicer. Instead of using high-speed blades, it slowly crushes and squeezes the ingredients. The result is more juice, less foam, and less heat, which helps preserve nutrients, vitamins, and natural flavor. In everyday use, the Euhomy performs well with both soft fruits and hard vegetables. Oranges, apples. Overall, the Euhomy 5.8-inch wide feed chute cold press juicer is a strong option for anyone who wants fresh juice with minimal prep, better juice yield, and a quieter, healthier juicing experience. If you'd like to check today's price or learn more, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more reviews of the best Amazon kitchen gadgets and healthy lifestyle products.